Good afternoon, children. Today let us learn how to round a decimal number to the nearest tenth. How to round a decimal number to the nearest tenth. Okay. To round a decimal number to the nearest tenth means the tenth place is the first place after the decimal point. The first place after the decimal point is the tenth place. TENTHS, tenth place. So which is known as one decimal place also. One decimal place. Rounding a number to the nearest tenth means 1 DP. DP means decimal place. DP. Decimal place in the short form ആണ് DP. Okay. So to round a number to the nearest tenth or one decimal place, look at the hundredth digit. Hundredth. The digit after the tenth place is the hundredth digit. The digit after the tenth digit is the hundredth digit. Okay. If the hundredth digit is less than 5, then round the number down by removing the decimal part of the number after the tenth digit. If the hundredth digit is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, remove the decimal part of the number after the tenth digit. Tenth digit കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള പാർട്ടിനെ മുഴുവൻ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യാം. പിന്നെ അത് എഴുതേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. ഓക്കെ. ഇഫ് the hundredth digit is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, remove the digits after the tenth place. Okay. If the hundredth digit is 5 or more than 5, then round the number up by adding 1 to the tenth digit and remove the rest of the decimal part of the number. If the hundredth digit is equal to 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the tenth place, tenth, TENTHS, tenth place, and remove the rest of the decimal part. Okay. Let me explain this, children. Children, here in this number 1.76, 1.76, which rounds up to 1.8. Rounds up means the value is increasing. Value കൂടുതലാവുക, because 1.8 is greater than 1.76. Okay. Here the digit at the 10th place is 7 and 100th place is 6. Okay. Digit at the 100th place is 6. 6 means which is greater than 5. So you should add 1 to the digit at the 10th place. So our answer is 1.8. 1.8. Okay. Next 8.746. 8.746. Here we are rounding this number to the nearest tenth. Tenth. So look at the hundredth digit. Hundredth. This is tenth. 7 is tenth. And this is hundredth. Hundredth. The first place is, see, this is a decimal point. After the decimal, the first place is 10, second place is 100, and third place is 1000th. Okay. Here the digit at the 100th place is 4. 4 is less than 5. So our answer is 8.7. And remove these digits. That is, remove the 100th place and 1000th place. This is the 1000th. 1000th place. So our answer is 8.7. Since the digit at the 100th place is less than 5, we are removing the 100th place and 1000th place from the number and write the other numbers. So our answer is 8.7. Okay. Next is 14.252. 252. Okay. Here children, the digit at the 100th place is 5. Digit at the 100th place. This is 10th and this is 100th. Okay. That is which is equal to 5. Then you should add 1 to the digit at the 10th place. 2 plus 1, 3. Then write the whole number part. Okay. So our answer is 14.3. Here 14.252 rounds up to 14.3. Rounds up to 14.3 means the value increases. That is 14.3 is more than 14.252. Okay. Now let us do more examples, children. Our next number is 4.83. 4.83. The digit at the 100th place is 3, which is less than 3 is less than 5. So our answer is 4.8. Remove that digit. Okay. If the 100th place is less than 5, remove that digits and write the other places. So 4.8 is our answer. Next 1.94. Digit at the 100th place is 4. 4 means which is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So remove that digit. So our next answer is 1.9. Okay. Next 15.28. 15.28. Which is the digit at the 100th place, children? 8. 8. 8 is greater than 5. So you should add 1 to the 10th place. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 15.3 is our answer. 15.3. Okay. Here the digit at the 100th place is 8, which is more than 5. So you should add 1 to the digit at the 10th place and remove the 100th place. Remove the 100th place. Okay. Let us do more examples, children. Next number is 3.47. 100th place is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the 10th place. So it becomes 3.5. Okay, 3.5. Next is 2.41. Digit at the 100th place is 1, which is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. So remove this digit. So our answer is 2.4. Next 7.63. Digit at the 100th place is 3. 3 is less than 5. So remove this digit. Our answer is 7.6. Okay. Next 6.18. Digit at the 100th place is 8. 8 is more than 5. So you should add 1 to the 10th place. 1 plus 1, 2. So 6.2 is our answer. Remove this place, 100th place. Next 5.75. 100th place is 5. 5 means which is equal to 5. So add 1 to the 10th place. 7 plus 1, 8. So 5.8 is our answer. Okay, remove this place. Next 4.9. Here children, there is no digit at the 100th place. In this question, there is only one decimal place. One decimal place. That is, after the decimal point, there is only one place. So 4.9 is our answer. Okay. Next is 1.16. Digit at the 100th place is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the 10th place. 1 plus 1, 2. 1.2 is our answer. Remove this 6. Okay. Next 0.84. Digit at the 100th place is 4. 4 means which is less than 5. So remove this place. 0.8 is our answer. Next 7.72. Digit at the 100th place is 2. 2 means which is less than 5. So remove this place. So our answer is 7.7. Okay. Next 0.56. Digit at the 100th place is 6. 6 means which is greater than 5. So our answer is add 1 to the 10th place. 0.6 is our answer. Okay. Next 6.02. 6.02. Here digit at the 100th place is 2. 2 means less than 5. So remove this place. 6.0. 6.0 means 6. Okay. Here the 10th place is 0. After the decimal point, that 0 is valueless. A 0 in value illa. So our answer is 6. 6.0 is equal to 6. 6. Okay. Next is 3.39. 3.39. Here 100th place is 9. 9 means which is greater than 5. So add 1 to the 10th place. 3.4. Okay. 3.4. So children, here when we are rounding the given number into the 10th, nearest 10th place, in our answer there is only one place after the decimal. One place after the decimal. So which is known as one decimal place. One decimal place. Decimal place in the short form ആണ് DP. One decimal place. Okay. One more example, children. 3.95. 3.95. Which is the digit at the 100th place, children? 5. 5 means which is equal to 5. So you should add 1 to the 10th place. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 carry over, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4.0 is our answer. 4.0. 0 വരുമ്പോൾ ടീച്ചർ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞ? After the decimal, that 0 is valueless. ഇങ്ങനെ 0 മാത്രം വന്നാൽ ആ 0ന് വാല്യൂ ഇല്ല. So we can write it as 4. 4.0 is same as 4. Okay. One more example. 5.97. 5.97. Which is the digit at the 100th place, children? This is 10th place. This is 100th place. So 7. 7 is more than 5. So add 1 to 10th place. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry over, 1 plus 5, 6. So our answer is 6.0, which is equal to 6. Okay. So children, today you learnt about how to round a decimal number to the nearest 10th. Nearest 10th ന് വേറെ ഒരു പേരെന്താ പറയുക? 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. Okay. So look at the 100th digit. 100th digit means the digit after the 10th digit. 10th digit. 10th digit means the digit after the decimal point. The first digit after the decimal point is the 10th digit. The second place after the decimal point is the 100th digit. Okay. If the 100th digit is less than 5, Then remove the decimal part of the number after the 10th digit. 10th digit കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള പാർട്ടിനെ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യാം. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 100,000 ഈ പാർട്ടിനെ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ബാക്കിയുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ. If the 100th digit is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the 10th digit and remove the other parts. Other part means 100th, 10,000th, etc. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Bye children. Thank you.